In this video, we will learn how you can automatically send a channel message in Microsoft Teams when a new review is posted on Google My Business. So let's say you have registered your business on Google My Business and you want every time a new review is posted on Google My Business, a channel message regarding the same should be sent on Microsoft Teams. So we will integrate Google My Business with Microsoft Teams using Pabbly Connect. Now let us come to my screen to see how we do it. To automatically send a channel message on Microsoft Teams when a new review is posted on Google My Business, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, did you know if you sign up for free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Now Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you can see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. So we will simply write Google My Business to Microsoft Teams. Create. So now you can see two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a sales is made, and action can be send a WhatsApp message to a customer. In our case, a trigger can be when a new review is posted on Google My Business, and action can be send the same message on Microsoft Teams. So let us begin and select Google My Business as our trigger application. For the trigger event, we will take New Review Multi-Location as it triggers when a new review is submitted for any of the selected location. So connect, add new connection, connect with Google My Business. I will take my business account, Parampara business account. Since I was already logged in, I did not have to give my credentials. Okay, so it is auto-fetched to my business account, that is Parampara business account. Now we will have to select our business location. So here it is. You can have multiple as well. The drop down can show multiple. Since I only have this location, so I have selected this. Okay. Now to see, now since this is for testing purpose, we will just go to, so now this is just, since this is just for testing purpose, we will go to a dummy account to post a dummy review. Okay. So here you can see it's Parampara Business. I'm on the page, Google My Business page. Now let me write a review for them. So okay, before we write a review, let me tell you this Parampara Business. This is basically a designer clothing store. So let us write a review accordingly. I'll give 4 stars. This Ashi Rai, that this is the reviewer, giving 4-star rating. I can just write beautiful designs. Okay. Now I will just post it. Okay. Now let us go to our Pabbly Connects page. Press Save Send Test Request. And now you can see it has captured the response. You can see the reviewer's display name, that is Ashi Rai. She gave 4-star ratings. Comment, she posted a review saying beautiful designs and so on. So this means we've successfully connected Google My Business with Pabbly Connect. Alright, just one more thing. Here you can see that the data has been captured immediately. However, it might take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here is polling based. So in case your data is not captured immediately, do not worry. Please wait for at least 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay, let us proceed further on to the action step. Now let us select Microsoft Teams for our action. Action event would be send message in a channel, connect, add new connection, since I was already logged into my Microsoft account, I will not have to give any credentials here. Okay, it says authorization successful. Now it has fetched my team names. Here you can see the teams that I have made in my Microsoft Teams account. You can see digital initiative, public relations, sales and marketing, video 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. I'll take you here. This is my Microsoft Teams. On the left hand side, you can see these are my teams, sales and marketing, and so on. And these are the channels here, general. So now come back to Pabbly. And let me select a team in which I wish to send a message when a review is posted on Google My Business. So I want a message should be sent in this team, in Digital Initiative Public Relations team, whenever a new review is posted on Google My Business. So I will select this. Channel remains the same. General, like you can see, there is only one channel here for this team. Sorry, okay. So now we will write the message here. So let us write. Let us write. Okay. Just write, hey team, a new review has been posted for our business. See the details here. Okay, now we can post reviewer name. So let us map it from here. Google My Business. We'll take Ashi Rai. Now press enter. Star rating. Let me correct this. Star rating would be, again we will map it from here. You can see 4. Then review, comment. Again we will map it from here. You can see beautiful designs. Okay, so here is the message we have framed. Now you must be thinking that where are we getting this detail from? We mapped in the name from here, then the star rating from here, then the review comment here, like you can see. But where exactly are we getting these details from? So let me take you to step 1, where we connected Google My Business with Pabbly and a dummy review was submitted on Google My Business. So Pabbly fetched all this response. Pabbly brought us this response. The reviewer's name, the rating, reviewer's comment, response, the same data Pabbly has brought up here. Okay, so we have mapped it this here. Now, one more important thing about mapping is once you have mapped in these details, you can see the reviewer's name, the review rating, then the review comment. So once you have mapped in these details, from next time, whenever a new review is posted by say some other person, so these map details will automatically be updated again, like the reviewer's name and star rating and comment, and you will not have to write in or type it manually. Okay, so we are good to go. Let me just save and send test request. And it says response received. Now let us go to Microsoft Teams and see if the message has been sent or if the message has been received in this team. Okay. Yes, this is my team. You can see here it is. Hey team, a new review has been posted for our business. See the details here. Reviewer name, star rating, review comment. And you can see these details we had mapped in. So this means we have successfully integrated Microsoft Teams with Google My Business using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.